Namaskar all the students, myself Umesh Kumar Shekhawat. In this video we will discuss the non-stoichiometric defect. Before start this topic, we will discuss the last previous video topic, that is the defect or deviation. Defect or can say imperfection. What is the defects or imperfection? Any deviation or any change in the regular arrangement of the constituent particle in a crystalline solid is called as a defect or imperfection. The imperfections are of two types, that is point defect, line defect. The point defect is that if any deviation is come around the lattice point, that is the lattice point, is called as a point defect. And if the defect arises in an entire line in the regular arrangement of the constituent particle, that is called as a line defect. The line defect we will not discuss now. The point defect we will discuss because it is present in our syllabus. Now the point defect again divided into three parts, already discussed, that is stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric and impurity. The stoichiometric defects are divided into two parts, that is ionic or non-ionic. Non-ionic divided into two parts, that is vacancy and interstitials, and ionic divided into Schottky and Frenkel. The vacancy and Schottky resemble with each other, and the interstitial and the Frenkel also resemble with each other. Now the next defect is non-stoichiometric defect, which is part of the point defect. The ratio of the cations to the anions becomes different from that the chemical ideal formula. That is called as a non-stoichiometric defect. The non-stoichiometric defect is of two types, that is metal excess defect or metal deficiency defect. Now the metal excess defect arises by the two reasons. By the anion vacancy, if the anion vacancy develop ho jaye, by the cation in interstitial site. Now first is by anion vacancy. By the anion vacancy, in which the anion leave the lattice point and the vacancy is developed, and this vacancy is occupied by the electron and is called as a F center. F center is called the full form is F is Farbenzender center. Farbenzender is a German word which meaning is कलर, यानी फॉर्बेजेंटर का मीनिंग क्या होगा? कलर, यानी ये जो कंपाउंड है कलर शो करेगा ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन विच द अरेंजमेंट. सो वैकेंसी डेवलप हुई, एनायन की वजह से वैकेंसी डेवलप हो रही है, ऑक्यूपाइड बाय द इलेक्ट्रॉन, एंड सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ बाय एनायन वैकेंसी. मेटल एक्सेस डिफेक्ट हो रहा है. क्यों? जब एनायन बाहर निकल जाएगा तो मेटल्स के आयंस क्या हो जाएंगे? इंक्रीज होंगे. But the neutrality should be maintained. Why? Because instead of anion, the electron occupy the lattice point, and the neutrality should be maintained. This is the Farbenzender color center called, and the example is excess of sodium vapor in NaCl gives the yellow color. जो नमक होता है वो हमारा NaCl कहता होता है white color का. But कैसा हो जाता है when the defect arises? This is acquire the yellow color. And lithium chloride, the Li in lithium chloride, the color should be pink. और in the KCl potassium vapor ज्यादा होंगे तो KCl में कलर कैसा आ जाएगा? Violet. Now the second is bication in interstitial site. Bication in interstitial site. It means that the cations come from the outside in the compound and occupy the interstitial site, and also the electron occupied the interstitial site, and the neutrality should be maintained, but the defect arises in a perfect arrangement. For example, ZNO, when ZNO is heated, the ZNO converted into Zn plus 2 and half O2 or 2 electron. The Zn plus 2 or 2 the electrons are trapped in the compound, and the Zn plus 2 and the electron occupy the interstitial sites of the compound, and the defect arises in a solid, that is crystalline solid. Why? कैटायन वैकेंसी डेवलप होगी, और जब कैटायन वैकेंसी डेवलप होगी इट मींस कैटायन चला जाएगा, तो लैटिस पॉइंट में वैकेंसी आ जाएगी और किसी भी लैटिस पॉइंट से जाएगा कैटायन, तो उस कंडीशन में मेटल डेफिशिएंसी यानी मेटल्स आयंस में कमी आ जाएगी। सो इस तरह से एक डिफेक्ट अराइज होगा इन द सॉलिड मॉलिक्यूल। क्या होगा, ये किसमें होगा, ज्यादातर वो मेटल्स शो करते हैं दे हैव द वेरिएबल ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, एंड व्हिच metals have the variable oxidation state, the d block element, that is transition elements have the variable vacancies. Now the example is FeO, Fes and IO. Now the next topic is impurity defect. Now the next topic is impurity defect. What is the impurity defect? Adding of impurity to a crystalline substance so as to change its properties is called as a impurity defect. In the impurity defect, we will add the impurity defect arise when some impurity added in a particular crystalline substance. For example, impurity of SrCl2 in NaCl. अगर हम मॉल्टन NaCl लेंगे और मॉल्टन NaCl में हमने कुछ इम्प्योरिटीज मिक्स कर दी SrCl2 की, तो उस कंडीशन में क्या होगा, this is the perfect arrangement of NaCl in which the Na जो Na प्लस है, कैटायंस जो है वो क्या कर देंगे, अपने लैटिस साइड्स को छोड़ देंगे, लीव द लैटिस साइड्स the cations of Na plus, and by which one hole is occupied, one vacancy is occupied by the Sr plus 2 and the one vacancy is developed. Neutrality should be maintained because the cations and anions ratio is same, but the vacancy is developed, and this type of defect is called as a impurity defect. यानी इम्प्योरिटी ऐड करने से, एक प्योर क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड में अगर हम एक इम्प्योरिटी ऐड कर देते हैं, तो मोल्टन कंडीशन होनी चाहिए, जब वो वापस अपने क्रिस्टलाइन फॉर्म में आएगा तो वो परफेक्ट अरेंजमेंट ना होके उसमें कुछ इम्प्योरिटी आ गई और वो कैसा हो जाएगा, उसमें डिफेक्ट आ जाएगा. दिस इज द इम्प्योरिटी डिफेक्ट. नाउ द टुडेज होमवर्क इज question number 1. Ionic solids which have anionic vacancies due to metal access defect develop color explain with the help of a suitable example. Thank you.